Hello my dear student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one question, that is find all zeros of the polynomial fx equal to 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30 if two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. It means we have to find all the zeros, like we have completed the last questions alpha, beta, gamma. If the equation is quadratic, then we are getting two values of x. If the equation is cubic, then we are getting three values of x. In case of x square, we are getting two values of x. In case of x cube, we are getting three values of x. Two values and three values of x. This two value of x is alpha beta. If three values, then alpha beta gamma. Similarly, here in this question also maximum power of x is 4. It means we will get 4 values of x. But in the questions two values is given, root 2 and minus root 2. We have to find two more values of x. Then we will get all the values of x. Then we will get all the zeros of the quad of this polynomial. So last time we have learned, suppose x plus 2 equal to 0, then it is coming x equal to minus 2. Then this is the root. It may be alpha, beta, gamma, delta, anything. So this x plus 2 is called the factor of the polynomial. So what is given in the question? We have fx equal to 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. Also given the zeros root 2 and minus root 2. So write down, since x equal to root 2 is a 0, x equal to root 2 is a 0, since x equal to root 2 is a 0, x minus root 2 is x minus root 2 is a factor. From where come it is x equal to root 2? If it is changing the side, root 2 will be x minus root 2. Root 2 will be minus root 2 when it will be change the side. Similarly, here is coming x minus root 2 is a factor. Also given, what is given also, since x equal to minus root 2 is a 0, x equal to minus root 2 is a 0, then when minus root 2 is changing the side, it will be plus root 2. So x plus root 2 is a factor. So this 2 is a factor. When we are getting the value, suppose 12, it means 2 into 6. Then again 2 into 3. Like that, it means 2 into 3. Similarly, 2 is a factor of 12. Similarly, 6 is a factor of 2. 2 is a factor of 6. Like that, it means separately 2 is a factor, separately 2 is a factor, 3 is also a factor. But after multiplication, 2 into 2 into 2, then you will get the main term. Here the 2 factor is like that. So if you multiply, then the result will be also a factor. So we can write here, hence this two part, x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 is a factor, is a factor. Now a plus b into a minus b, we can use that formula. A plus b into a minus b. What is that formula? That formula is x square minus what will be root 2 square. It means a square minus b square formula is also a factor. That means x square is x square, minus is minus, root and square will be cancelled, it means only 2 is also a factor. X square minus 2 is also a factor. Now by dividing the given polynomial, by how much? This factor x square minus 2. X square minus 2, we can find out other factors. We can find out the other factors. We can find out other factors. It means now by dividing the given polynomial by x square minus 2, we can find out other factors. We have to divide this 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube, 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 19x square minus 14x plus 30. This is the given polynomial, and we get the real factor is here x square minus 2. So we have to divide by this x square minus 2. Look, in this divisor part it is x square, in this dividend part that is 2x to the power 4. It means we need there is a 2. Okay, 2 into x square, 2x square, but here is x to the power 4, here is x square. It means 4 minus 2, 2 less. So we can write x square. 2x square into x square, it means we can write 2x to the power 4 minus 2 into 2x square, minus 2 into 2x square, 2 into 2, 4, x square is x square. So under the x square term we can write 4x square. Now there is minus 2, there is plus 2, plus a minus is minus. Now we have to subtract again. So when you are going for subtraction, then symbols will be changed like that. So plus 2x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 4 cancel. What is remain? Plus 7x cube minus 19x square plus 4x square. It means 19 minus 4, how much? 15x square, and 19 and 4. 19 is a greater number. Before this greater number symbol is negative, so we have to put here negative symbol. Then what is the remaining part? Minus 14x plus 30. Now we can see here is x square in the divisor part. In the dividend part there is 7x cube. So we have to get first of all 7. So we can write here plus 7 plus 7. 7 we choose here. Then here is x square, here is x cube. So 3 minus 2, 1x remains. So we can write here 7x. We can write here 7x. Now 7x into x square, we can write 7x cube. 7x into minus 2, minus 14x, minus 14x. 7x minus 2, minus 14x. Now we have to subtract again, then symbols will be changed. Plus 7x cube minus 7x cube cancel. What is remain? Minus 15x square. Minus 14x plus 14x cancel. What is remain? Plus 30. Now look, here is minus 15x square. Minus 15x square, and here is only x square, so we have to multiply by minus 15. Minus 15 into x square, minus 15x square. Minus 15 into minus 2, minus 15 into minus 2, minus minus plus 15 into 2, 30. So we are getting the result is, remainder is 0. So after division we are getting the result. It means question part is what? Question part is 2x square plus 7x minus 15. 2x square plus 7x minus 15. Now we factorize 2x square plus 7x minus 15. Now we factorize. Now we factorize 2x square plus 7x minus 15. 2x square plus 7x minus 15. This is equal to, look, A into C, 15 into 2, how much? 30. What we have to do? We have to try to do here. 15 into 2, how much? 13. If you take 10 into 3, 13. 10 into 3, 13. Like that. 2x square is 2x square, plus is plus, x is x, minus 15. What we have not written? 7 we have not written. What we have to do? Plus or minus? We have to do minus, because this constant term is negative. Before this constant term, that is minus. So we have to put here minus. So 10 into 3, 30. So we can write 10 minus 3. This is equal to 2x square is 2x square plus 10 into x, 10x, minus 3 into x, 3x, minus 15. This is equal to 2 and 10. 2 and 10. What we can take common? We can take 2 is common. X square and x, what we can take common? X is common. What is remain? 2x taken common, remain only x. Plus is plus. Then from 10 2 is taken common, what is remain? 5. x is already taken common, so complete. Minus, since minus is taken common, inside the bracket it will be plus symbol. Now 3 and 15, 3 is taken common, then what is remaining? X. 3 into how much? 15. 3 into 5, 15. Now we can see x plus 5 and x plus 5 both are same, so we can take again x plus 5 is common. This is equal to x plus 5. Then what is remain? 2x minus 3. Here is 2x, here is minus 3. So 2x minus 3. From this part we can continue how? We can write here. Now x plus 5 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is implies x equal to plus 5 is changing the side, minus 5. Plus 5 is changing the side, it is minus 5 here. Or 2x equal to minus 3 is changing the side, it will be plus 3. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore x equal to or we can write 2x equal to 3. Now x equal to 3 is 3 and this 2 will come down like that. It means 3 by 2. It means the value of x after factorization we are getting minus 5 and 3 by 2. So these two value will be 2 0. Already in the question given 2 0 is root 2 and minus root 2. Now we are getting another two value of x, minus 5 and 3 by 2. Actually the maximum power of x was 4, x to the power 4. That's why we needed to find out at least 4 value of x. So 4 value of x is root 2 minus root 2 minus 5 and 3 by 2. These 4 value will be the 4 zeros of the polynomial. The 4 zeros of the polynomial. So we can write what we can write. Therefore the zeros of fx. What was fx? This was the fx polynomial. Therefore the zeros of fx are write down. What is the first value? Root 2. What is given? Another one is minus root 2. Then we got first one is minus 5 and another one is 3 by 2. So these are the 4 values: root 2, minus root 2, minus 5 and 3 by 2. So this was the answer. It depends on the power of x. Maximum power was x to the power 4. First of all, what we have done? We have done the division here. After division, we got the value 2x square plus 7x minus 15 is the quotient. So from this quotient part, we have done again factorization, middle factorization. After factorization we are getting two part, x plus 5 and 2x minus 3. So x plus 5, from x plus 5 we are getting x equal to minus 5. From 2x minus 3 we are getting x value 3 by 2. Already two value is given. Then another two value we got -5 and 3/2. So this was the final answer. Thank you all of you.